Hey champs, today we are going to learn our 16 function in PHP 100 function series. So now let's dive into the code. So first, here to add echo date. So today we are going to learn date function. DMY. D denote for day, M denote for a month, Y denote for year. Now going to the browser. Now you can see today is 7, 8 and 24. Day, month and 24. Yeah. Okay, now if you want to add year as in 4 letter, it's 2024, so you can Y, you can make Y is capital. Now if you want time, HIS, H hour, I minutes and S for second. Now you can check. So if you want to check what is time zone is here, now you can use E, UTC. So the time is UTC, and now you can check AM or PM. Just add A in here. Okay, so it is PM, 2:17 PM UTC. Now if you want to add this time as Indian Standard Time, so you can choose date, default time zone set. Now Asia, Kolkata. I don't remember the spelling, so I'm just going to check. Asia, Kolkata. Okay, so it is Asia, Kolkata. Now you can check syntax error. Okay, I forgot to add colon. Now this is Asia Kolkata time. Currently it's 7:48:33 PM. Okay, if you enjoy this video, like this video and subscribe this channel, so you will get this type of videos and you will get notified. Make sure to hit the bell icon, and thank you very much for watching.